Parang family company siya talaga. I grew up with our employees. I call them kuya, di ba? And then talagang nakasama ko silang lumaki. During those times na pag hindi ka tumigil, nag-grow ka, pag inalagaan mo yung mga tao mo, pag kailangan mo naman sila, hindi ka nila pababayaan. Ibibigay nila ang lahat-lahat. To take care of our people, and that parang really realizing na this 30-year journey of Juan Carlo cannot be done without them. And gusto ko sila pa rin yung kasama ko sa next 30-year legacy ng Juan Carlo. So we write it together. So yun, alagaan yung tao. Pangalawa, yung hindi kami tumigil is a story of how parang yung companies kasi, yung ibang caterers, nagsarado sila. Hindi kami tumigil mag-innovate. When the gates of the market opened, we sprinted off. Parang nung bumalik ng events, dahil hindi kami tumigil, nag-innovate pa kami, lalong nag-grow yung company. We got even more market share. And parang that's the mark of what great companies do. In the face of these challenges, in the face of all of these problems, parang you can't stop. And when you get through these challenges, they make you stronger, they make you bolder. By God's grace, we won so many awards in the past 30 years in Savor competition in Tagaytay. Ilang beses kami nanalo doon, and sa SMX Culinary. For Savor, this year, we won. Ito talaga parang yung year na to talaga yung grabe. We won this year 2025. Was the most awards we got. Nagkataon 30 years pa namin. So for Savor, we got the top sales award. We got best main dish and best dessert. For SMX Culinary, we got hygiene award, best appetizer, best main course, best dessert for the People's Choice Award. And then for the Judges' Choice naman, we got best appetizer and best main course. So 7 out of the total 8 awards, 7 out of 8 yung nakuha namin. They only see na nanalo kami. They only see the accolades, the awards, but they don't see behind the scenes. Sobrang daming rejected dishes, rejected plates. Minsan pag may conflicting ideas kayo, that's where innovation breeds it. And then, hindi pwede kaming tumigil, hindi pwedeng okay na, pwede na to. The legacy we want to leave for the next chefs, for the next 30 years ng Juan Carlo, para manalo pa rin kami sa mga competitions, is talagang we have to pour our heart and soul into everything that we do. Sometimes, hindi mo ma-realize na ito na pala yung lahat ng mga nangyari sa amin over the past 30 years. Ang daming milestones, ang daming artista, ang daming awards, ang daming ganyan. Pero yung talagang nakaka-flatter is not that we were just part of those big, parang events, those grand milestones, na naging part kami sa buhay ng mga tao na yun. Ang sarap ng feeling na hindi lang kami part ng grand events, but we are a part of their lives. We find parang so much joy and happiness there, more than the awards. So we have to stick to who we are, diba? We are the heart of Tasteful Celebrations. We pour our heart into everything pa rin. We have 20 departments, 1,250 people, but we have to expand even more in terms of our team. Kasi whenever we do anything, we have to give our best. Yan ang tinuro na pamana sa akin ng tatay ko na hindi pwede na or okay lang. So for the Juan Carlo Cares program, I mean, this is really our way of giving back. Sobra na kaming binless ni Lord. Actually, right now, every year, we're giving food to the Bajau community here in Batangas. Doon kami nagsisimula. Kasi we want to give back to the most underprivileged community here in Batangas. Kasi dito yung roots namin. This is where it all started. And then, aside from that, meron kaming Juan Carlo Scholarship Program na ilalabas. So we want to continue the culinary excellence and legacy ng Juan Carlo to find people who don't have that opportunity. Na mabigyan sila ng opportunity to also learn, grow in the culinary field, and even give them jobs straight from graduating. We will provide them jobs as well, not just scholarships. And nagawa na din namin yan dito. This 30-year journey of Juan Carlo cannot be written without our suppliers. And I'm so excited kasi yun yung natutunan ko from my parents. Ang pamana nila, we cannot do this alone. We don't work in a silo. Diba, in an event, ang dami mong katrabaho. And sobrang, we will not be able to reach where we are now without them. I know that for sure. And sobrang naming inalagaan more collaborations, more partnerships with suppliers. We will continue to innovate. We will not stop growing. We will not stop learning. And we're so excited for the next 30 years with these suppliers and partners. Magbago-bago man ang ikot ng mundo, whatever happens, we will stick to our core of who we are. We are the heart of Tasteful Celebrations. Whether we bring Juan Carlo nationwide to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, whether we create restaurants, whether we create whatever types of businesses pa to expand, we will never forget who we are and where we started. And that's our legacy.